Welcome in World Digitronic. Computer memory. Memory is the essential physical device of a computer system. It's used for store and access the data temporarily or permanently. Memory is different address location where one address location can store only one bit. The performance of computer mainly based on memory and CPU. Computer memory are two type: volatile, data store temporarily, and non-volatile, data store permanently. Type of memory. This picture is shown the computer memory type. As per the working rules of RAM, we can divide the memory as a primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory are two type: volatile memory and non-volatile. Volatile memory also two type: number 1 dynamic, number 2 static. RAM is a dynamic memory. The different type of RAM is EOD-RAM, SD-RAM, ROD-RAM and STT-DRAM. Static cache and registers is a static memory. Cache memory are different type: L1, L2, and L3. ROM is non-volatile memory and ROM are different type like EPROM, EEPROM and flash ROM. Secondary memory are two type: magnetic and optical. Magnetic memory like drum tape drive, floppy hard drive and pen drive excreta. And optical like CD and DVD. RAM, random access memory, also called as volatile memory because the memory can't store the data permanently. It is made of by millions of transistors and capacitors. RAM are following four types. Number 1, EOD-RAM, extended data output random access memory. Number 2, SD-RAM, synchronous dynamic random access memory. Number 3, RD-RAM, rambus dynamic random access memory. Number 4, DDR-RAM, double data rate random access memory. DDR-RAM comes with 4 versions based on the speed: DDR1, DDR2, DDR3 and DDR4, each one not compatible with another ones. Difference between static memory and dynamic memory. Static memory: this type of memory is built up by flip-flop and it's very fast. It does not require to refresh, also it is costly memory. Dynamic memory: this type of memory is built up by capacitor and it's slow, it require to refresh, also it is less cost memory. By the error detection and correction method, memory are 3 type. Number 1, parity. The parity method is very popular but it can detect only a single bit error. If there are even number of bits failure, then this methodology cannot detect error. Number 2, CRC, cyclic redundancy check. It is another method to check error. CRC can check multiple bit error. It used polynomial algebra. Number 3, ECC, error checking and correction. This method not only detect error but can correct the error where has been detected. It is slightly slower than CRC memory. Note: when you buy a RAM, then check it first ECC facility is available or not, because ECC facility RAM is costly than non-ECC memory. SD-RAM. DDR2 RAM. DDR3 RAM. Various type of RAM and the technical difference. You can take a screenshot. ROM, read-only memory, is not volatile programmable memory chip. It is an old semiconductor technology. 1. EEPROM, Programmable Read-Only Memory, PROM chips to write the data once and read many. The programs or instructions designed in PROM can't be erased by other programs. 2. EEPROM, Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. It's recover the problems of PROM and ROM. Users can delete the data of EEPROM through pass on ultraviolet light and it erases chip is reprogrammed. 3. EEPROM, Electrically Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory, similar to the EEPROM but it uses electrical beam for erase the data of ROM. 4. Flash BIOS, it is updatable BIOS. Okay friend, in the next video we can see the how to install RAM, so continue keep watch my channel. If you like my channel so please like or comments for me and subscribe my channel do not require any money it's a free, don't forget to click on bell icon for get the next video.